Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we have an absolute superb, excellent value Mercedes C-Class here. Drives absolutely fantastic, looks fantastic. I would say it looks and drives half the mileage that it's actually done. It's been very well looked after. Driven this car a couple of days myself, it's fantastic. Got a good spec on it as well. So you've got the front park distance control. It's got the lovely diamond cut alloy wheels, absolutely gleaming black as you can see. I'll struggle to find any marks on it. Goodyear tyres, rear park distance control, absolutely lovely. Facelift model, by the way. Not even any marks on the edge of the wing mirrors, door handles. C200d. Boot area is in lovely condition. Can fold down the back seats as well. Just look at it. I can't believe the mileage. Absolutely lovely back seats. Carpet mats to the rear, lovely piano finish on here, wood finish, heated seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, no burst seats, absolutely lovely condition. Carpet mats on the front as well. Push start. It's done 108,355 miles. Put the clutch in. 6-speed gearbox, full screen sat nav. Camera with park distance control. DAB radio, full media pack with Bluetooth sync for music as well, for on telephone, different driving modes, comfort, sport, individual. The new style steering wheel, this one activates anything on there, this one activates anything on there, that screen. It's got cruise control, automatic headlights. Nice little headrest, little, and you've got your USBs in there. You've got your full park distance as well. It'll actually find your parking space. It is absolutely heated seats, I think, as I mentioned. Superb condition. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a ring on 07503 751 005. Thank you.